This is like really great. I had no idea what to expect here, but it ended up being super cool because not only are you getting the stamp, which are really easy to use, but you're also getting basically 2 eyeliners. Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting video. We are going to be doing a review today, and it's super exciting because there's 3 giveaways that this company is going to be giving away directly to you guys. We're doing a giveaway on Eye Method Beauty. This is basically an eyeliner stamp. So I'm not sure exactly what it is, but they came to me and wanted to do a collaboration, and they said that they were going to be giving away 3 more to my viewers. So I said, why not? I'll try these out, and if I like them, you guys might like them too. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys and see what it's all about. We'll see how they work. And by the way, while you're here, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more. And I'm going to be sharing with you the details of the giveaway in just a minute as we do this unboxing. So here it says this is the Eye Method eyeliner stamp. We hope you're completely satisfied with your new Eye Method eyeliner stamp. So I hope that I am completely satisfied as well, because I want you guys to be satisfied when you get your giveaway item. So here we go. Okay, there's 2 items in here. I'm super curious what this is going to be about. Okay, so we're going to stamp on the side of my eyes, okay? And then third step is use the eyeliner pen to fill in and shape. Okay, so we have a right wing and a left wing. Oh, okay, so I guess you have a stamp for the right and the left, and then you have the other side, which is the eyeliner, regular eyeliner. Yep, okay, you can see that is the eyeliner, and you can see this is the stamp. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead here, and I don't even know what I'm doing. So if this ends up looking really weird, then I'm gonna be the one basically doing the trial and error for you guys who end up winning. Okay, there we go. Look at that. That looks actually quite good. And so I'm gonna do the right wing as well. So you basically just put it up like above where the eye would go, and then you stamp it down, and then you can use the eyeliner. Most amazing eyeliner, but whatever. And you can fill it in, so like that, and then fill in that side as well. I think I a little messed it up because I couldn't see as easily on that side, but you can easily fix it up. Okay, so now I fixed it. I just basically stamped it right on, and I love the way that this looks. This is like really great. I had no idea what to expect here, but it ended up being super cool because not only are you getting the stamp, which are really easy to use, but you're also getting basically 2 eyeliners because the left and the right side both have eyeliner. If nothing else, even if you end up not using the stamps, which I think you will because it's so easy, like I literally just like put it on and you saw that, but either way, even if you don't, you still have 2 eyeliners that come in this package, and you could just use the eyeliner. So it's like way worth it. Like, why not have 2 eyeliners? So I'm very pleased. Let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway rules. So for the giveaway, to enter, all you have to do is be 18 years or older, or if you're not 18 or older, you can have your parent help you out here. And then you need to subscribe to my channel, and you need to subscribe to the Eye Method channel, which I will link below. And then lastly to do is to comment in this video and say that you want to be entered into the giveaway. That way the Eye Method company can choose randomly from the commenters. There's going to be 3 random winners, so 3 people are going to get these, and they are going to be chosen by the actual Eye Method company. So make sure that you subscribe and keep your eye out for the results from them. And so I'm going to link all of that below for you guys, so you can subscribe to me, subscribe to them, and wait your giveaway. Yeah, there's a great chance that you'll win. Since there's gonna be 3 winners, you might as well comment and enter the giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, as always, you are so powerful. Okay, bye.